Anyway.
Sure they do. Let's talk foot.
That's a Bigfoot.
I know. That's. Ain't that like a couple of funny brothers destroying their father's legacy?
You honestly think we're going to encounter a Squatch, the Squatch is going to attack you, and your life is going to be saved because you're wearing a helmet?
Ready to rock and roll, baby.
You look like an idiot. If one actually walked out right now, this would be the greatest thing ever captured on camera. If we lured out a Bigfoot with a beer, you don't have to describe that.
Well, that's what he smells like. If you are wondering.
How much did they pay for this?
There is conflicting reports online, but at the very least, hundreds of thousands. It's enough to be embarrassed about.
Hey, girl! You...
Nah.
What do you have
This
against
guy's
that?
inhaling too many cat shit fumes.
Oh my God. What are we gonna actually do if we find one? Holy shit, dude, this is fucking scary. What?
I'm saying just because something's old doesn't mean it's bad. Or
That's a completely different train of thought.